Need a reliable way to haul your motorcycle on your next adventure? The best motorcycle trailers offer stability, durability, and easy loading, giving you peace of mind as you travel. Whether you're transporting for a road trip or moving cross-country, these trailers are designed to keep your bike secure. In this video, we'll review the top motorcycle trailers that combine performance and convenience. Don't forget to check the links in the description box for more details and the best deals. Black Widow SMC 600R Motorcycle Trailer. The Black Widow SMC 600R is a hitch-mounted motorcycle carrier designed for dirt bikes, scooters, and motorcycles up to 600 pounds. It works with 2-inch Class IE or IV hitch receivers and includes a self-storing ramp, adjustable wheel chock, and anti-rattle device. The aluminum track measures 6 feet 6.75 inches long and 7 inches wide, while the loading ramp is 6 feet long. This carrier features 4 integrated tie-down points for secure transport and is built with a high-strength aluminum track and steel frame. It ensures easy loading and unloading while preventing the bike from shifting during transport. ECOTRIC 500-pound motorcycle trailer. The ECOTRIC 500 pounds motorcycle trailer is a heavy-duty carrier for motorcycles and scooters with a 500-pound weight capacity. It mounts to a 2-inch square hitch receiver and includes a 38.5-inch long loading ramp for easy bike loading. The trailer measures 76 inches long and 7 inches wide, offering ample space for your bike. Its anti-tilt locking device keeps the bike stable, while the heavy-duty steel construction ensures durability. The carrier can be loaded from either side and comes with an anti-tilt locking mechanism to prevent swaying. Professional installation is recommended for safe use. Black Widow AMC 400 Motorcycle Trailer. The Black Widow AMC 400 is a durable, hitch-mounted carrier designed for motorcycles and dirt bikes up to 400 pounds. It includes a self-storing ramp and an adjustable wheel chock for secure transport. The track measures 6 feet 3.5 inches long and 5.5 inches wide, while the ramp is 3 feet 11 inches long. Compatible with 2-inch Class IA or IV hitch receivers, this carrier fits bike wheels up to 5.5 inches wide. Its aluminum construction makes it lightweight yet strong, and the anti-rattle device ensures a smooth ride. A youth dirt bike adapter is also included. Black Widow AMC 600-2 Motorcycle Trailer. The Black Widow AMC 600-2 is a hitch-mounted carrier designed to transport 2 dirt bikes or motorcycles with a combined maximum weight capacity of 600 pounds. It features a self-storing ramp, adjustable wheel chock, and anti-rattle device. The track measures 6 feet 3 inches long and 5.5 inches wide, while the ramp is 3 feet 9.5 inches long. This aluminum carrier fits 2-inch Class IA or IV hitch receivers and accommodates bikes with wheels up to 5.5 inches wide. Its easy-to-install design allows loading from either side, and the youth adapter supports smaller bikes. ECOTRIC 600-pound motorcycle trailer. The ECOTRIC 600 pounds motorcycle trailer is a sturdy, hitch-mounted carrier designed to handle bikes up to 600 pounds. It features a raised adjustable wheel stop and a solid steel construction that is rust-resistant. The carrier fits into a 2-inch hitch receiver and includes a 79-inch rail for secure bike placement. A pair of quick-release locks ensures the bike stays securely attached during transport. The easy-to-install design makes it a convenient option for loading bikes with minimal effort. It is ideal for both heavy and light motorcycles, ensuring safe transport over long distances. Goodbye for now. We hope this video helps you find the perfect motorcycle trailer. Remember to subscribe for more tips and reviews, and we'll see you in the next one.